Unraveling, the bottom line, mastering business English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very popular phrase in the English language, especially in business contexts: the bottom line. This phrase is not just important for professionals, but for anyone looking to sharpen their English skills and understand conversations around finance, decision-making, and summary statements. Let's decode its meanings and uses together. Initially, the bottom line refers to the final line in a financial statement, typically a report or a balance sheet, that shows the net income or loss of a company. This is the actual figure that tells you how a company has performed over a specific period after all expenses have been deducted from revenues. It's a literal term in accounting, but its figurative use is even more widespread. Beyond its literal financial context, the bottom line has been embraced in everyday English to signify the most important part of a discussion, story, or situation. When someone says, "The bottom line is," they're about to tell you the crucial point or the core takeaway. It's a way to cut through the fluff and get to the heart of the matter. Examples in sentences. 1. Decision-making. The bottom line is we need to cut costs to keep the company profitable. 2. Advice. The bottom line is that you should never give up on your dreams, no matter how hard it gets. 3. Summarizing. After all the discussions, the bottom line is we're moving forward with the new project. These examples show how the bottom line can be versatile, used in various contexts to highlight the most critical information or conclusion. To use the bottom line effectively in your English conversations or writing. Be concise. The phrase sets the expectation for a straightforward and clear point. Make sure what follows is exactly that. Emphasize importance. Use it to draw attention to the most important part of your message. Summarize. It's a great tool to conclude lengthy discussions or explanations by summarizing the key takeaways. Understanding and using phrases like the bottom line can greatly enhance your English communication, especially in professional settings. It's a powerful way to convey the core message succinctly and clearly. We hope this video has helped demystify this phrase for you and that you'll feel more confident using it in your conversations. Remember, the bottom line in language learning is practice, practice, practice. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.